Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove a video background using free AI tools, and one of this is this what we call runwayml.com. So you just have to go to the site and then create an account. You can sign up with Google, Apple, or use single sign on. So for me, I had to choose to sign up with Google because for me I think this one is the easier way to sign up or create an account using this AI tool. And once done, this is what it looks like. And what you want to do here is to simply add a video, or you can select from any of the templates here. And for me, I have to add a video for our tutorial to let you see how to remove a background using this AI tool. So I have import a video here, and let's see how Runway AI tool remove the background from this video. Okay, so all you have to do is to click the video and then go to the right side and look for a green screen. Tap this one. And as you can see, you have to click on, you have to put the arrow from the side of this image. Okay, so up, down. Okay, I just have to choose left and right here. And this is what it looks like. So it will remove this part right here, which is our specific image or object here on our video. So once you're okay with this, all you have to do is to click done masking, and you can see that on the top right corner, tap this one, and you have to wait for a couple of seconds, minutes, it depends, as it is processing. So you will see the result, and this is the result. And as you can see, it has removed the background. So let's just say I want to add something at the back. So all I have to do is to import, or you can go to the templates and look for a video that has green background. But for me, I have to import that video here. So I'm going to show you the result. All you have to do is to drag that video below the main video. So the result is that this image or this person right here is like moving but with different background. Okay, so that's it. But if you just need the main object or this person, you just have to simply export this one or download this video. But if you want to add something like a background, then you need to add a background like this. So this is what it looks like, and this is just a very basic tutorial. So I know you can do better than this. And this is how easy it is to remove background using a free AI tool. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next tutorials.